I'm Carrie Sundra of Alpenglow Industries, and we do a whole bunch of fun electronics. Here are our surface mount soldering kits. We have Foxy Pride, Krampus, and P.S. I Hate You, which is kind of a snarky little Valentine.
I love that.
Most of what we do is we provide you the kit of parts and the circuit boards and the instructions of how to build it yourself, because we want people to pick up soldering skills, and surface mount soldering is really important to have. There are actually jobs that you can get that involve surface mount soldering, reworking boards, doing a little bit of assembly on boards. We'll do all the kitting and stuff ourselves, yeah.
Wow, cool.
And we do all the design work for the PCBs. We have different artists, though, do the different artwork. So this one Leeborg did.
Oh,
Yay,
cool.
Foxy Pride!
Do you have any tips for people who are doing kits?
I would say don't underestimate the amount of work it takes to kit them and put them together. And, we like to do instructions with the QR code. That kind of works easiest for us, because then if we can update them as we get feedback and things like that. So I think that that's a nice way of doing them, even though it means that you have a little bit of one more step in order to, do the whole thing.
Thanks.